What is happening, everybody? Welcome to BC Spirits Spirit Day number 190. Now, as you can see, I'm still not in my office. I am super apologetic right now. I haven't been as active on the BC Spirits Instagram the last couple of days. With the end of month, first inventory, new cocktail menu at Clive's, a couple of big projects coming up. I've been struggling to find time to be able to do absolutely everything, and I want to give you guys the best time and recommendations as possible. So this is one that I haven't tried before. I think I actually may have done a cask sample of one a while back, but I don't think it was for Spirit of the Day. And it is the Commodore from Odd Society Spirits. Fucking fantastic label. This is their limited release single malt. They release it once a year. This is batch 4. Fantastic little product. 100% being BC grown malted barley, and then aged for, I believe, 3 to 4 years. So let's kick it off. Now, the hard thing with BC single malts, and I'm going to put this right out there right away, is that because we don't actually have region-specific sort of styles, like you go the Highlands, you've got Speyside, you've got Islay, you've got Orkney, you've got all these different regions in Scotland that these sort of whiskey sort of fit in between. BC doesn't have that. Everything's very terroir driven, and I can already smell on the nose straight away that this is Odd Society. They just have that nose. I've talked about terroir of whiskey distilleries multiple times. Very light color. But that being said, on the nose, cut grass, like rolling hills, hints of pepper, a little bit of dehydrated lemon peel, super aromatic and floral. On the palate though, you have this beautiful structure below, deep, bassy sort of notes, little hints of chocolate. Definitely get that charred wood, charred oak underneath it, hints of vanilla, but then you've got that bright, still aromatic, still floral, cut grass, sort of highlands, Speyside style whiskies in the top. Fantastically structured on the nose. I wasn't expecting it to be as structured on the palate, but wow, it's got bass notes, it's got treble, it's got everything, mid-range notes in there completely. What a fantastic little number. Sippable. If you love your Highland, your Speyside style whiskies, which I do believe was where Gord went over to train for a bit, you're gonna really, really love this. Yeah, dark fruit, tobacco notes, fantastically. I think it's a fantastic expression of a single malt coming out of Vancouver. The Odd Society single malt Commodore. Get some if you can, because it is a limited edition. So get to your liquor store and pick some up ASAP, because it won't last too long. See you guys tomorrow. I promise next week I'm gonna catch up. I'm gonna put everything down, everything on YouTube, everything on blogs. Everything will be caught up by next week, I promise. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.